Alright guys, this is the last day of my free trial of Sketchup, so I just kind of wanted to come back here and show you a little bit of the latest and probably the last version I'm going to do of this, mostly because it's so much slower online, even though I can export this to the free online version. But this kind of gives you an idea of the two garages and the house plan next to it. So it does make the house look kind of small, but it's actually because my garage is really big, I think. So we can see I found actually a BMW X4, a Ninja 300, and a S1000XR. So I dropped them in the garage, not actually to scale, but I'm gonna have a lawnmower in here just so that I can see that everything will fit, and I've got all my dimensions on here. And this garage is pretty much unchanged from the last version, I think, other than we had to inset this garage a little bit closer to the house because there wasn't enough room out here to expand it. So that means that I will have the garage door opening here, and there will not be a separate smaller door like there is going to be on this garage. This garage will have a little door you can walk through. And this is the shop garage. You can see that it is 12 feet where everything else is 10 feet. And I put some of the electrical connections over here. I also moved my vacuum and pressure washer over to this side of the garage because now the extra room from the side of the door is going to be on the left. So I'm going to put the additional tools over there because there's going to be more room. And here she is in her final SketchUp stage. Well, I say final. I'm sure I'll do some more tweaks to it, but that is the current plan. Again, if you guys have any other comments or you just want to follow along, I'm going to be posting some stuff on the Facebook page. I made a Help Me DIY page. It is private, sorry about that, so you do have to request access. I will try to remember to check on that to allow you to get in. For some reason, I don't get notifications when people request to join. I have to go manually check it, so sometimes I go a long period of time without checking. I apologize. If you're requested to get in and I haven't let you in, send me a PM or something and I will give you access.